Can you believe 2024 is almost over and you're still struggling to speak English fluently? Did you miss out on achieving your resolution this year too? Don't lose hope. This year isn't over yet. You still have time to turn things around and achieve your dream of speaking English with confidence. Imagine yourself walking into a meeting, giving a flawless presentation, or chatting effortlessly with friends from all around the globe. Doesn't this sound amazing? Well, what if I told you that this dream is actually achievable and you can do it before 2025? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I will share a powerful step-by-step plan to transform your English skills. You just need to stick with me till the end because every tip I share is completely going to change the way you think and speak. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here comes our step number 1. Set a clear goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to become fluent? Maybe it's for career growth, to travel, or to connect with new people. Whatever your goal is, just write it down on a piece of paper or sticky notes. And then you have to paste it, stick it somewhere you can see it, that is visible every day. For example, your goal is I will speak English confidently in business meetings by January 2025. Or you can write something like I will give a 5-minute speech in English without hesitation. Having a clear goal keeps you actually motivated. So that's why I'm assisting to begin learning English in such a way that write down your goal and then paste it somewhere where you can see that your goal is this and this is what you want to achieve before 2025. All right, let's move on to the next step. In step number 2, you have to create a daily routine, and for this, consistency is the key to fluency. Dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes daily to English. And here is an effective routine I have for you. First 5 minutes you are supposed to give for warm up. Start with tongue twisters or reading aloud to improve pronunciation. Second thing you can do is listening practice. So 10 minutes every day dedicate for listening practice. So you can watch a short TED Talk, podcast, or English news channels. Focus on understanding. And third thing that you can do is speaking practice. 10 minutes every day. Practice speaking on a topic for 2 to 3 minutes or mimic a native speaker's dialogue. And the fourth thing, vocabulary building. For this, you have to give just 5 minutes and learn 5 to 10 new words or phrases daily and use them in your sentences. So this is how you are going to complete your step number 2. Okay, and this is what you have to inculcate in your daily routine. Remember, you have to be fluent before 2025, and for this purpose you have to actually put in efforts. I can understand that this year just passed by doing something, doing some work, or I don't know where you were busy, okay? Or you just let this year go without considering much about learning English. Even now, do not just let this year go like that, okay? Be serious, make the most out of these remaining number of days and give your best in these days, okay? Do not just let these days go like the other days. All right, so just be focused. And now I'm going to talk about something really significant in step number 3. This will actually make you or keep you closer to becoming fluent in English, and this is immerse yourself in English as much as you can or as much it is possible. And I am going to share with you some ways. First, switch your environment. What I mean by this is change your phone and apps to English. First thing. Next, watch content in English. Choose English movies, shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Now stop watching your favorite shows in your native language anymore. Next, what you can do is you can even join some English language learning programs, okay? so that you can create that environment around you. So if you can afford joining any English speaking course, or if you can enroll yourself in any English language program, that's really brilliant. And if you cannot do it, no problem, you can even talk to yourself in English. There are multiple ways. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you will pick it up. And here comes the next step. Step number 4: practice speaking daily. This is really essential. Speaking is non negotiable. You need to practice every single day. Here is how you can practice. First, talk to yourself. Narrate your day. Express your thoughts or describe what you see around you. Next, you can find a partner. Practice with a friend, family member, or language partner. Apps like ChatGPT or HelloTalk, and there are so many other apps as well. These apps will surely help you to practice speaking. You can use some AI tools and for this purpose of practicing English, that will help you to have a casual conversation. Okay. In step number 5, you have to focus on listening and understanding this language. Listening will help you improve both pronunciation and comprehension. So, start with easy to understand content like children's audiobooks, then progress to podcasts or interviews. And remember to listen actively by noting down new phrases. Pause and mimic the speaker's pronunciation and tone. Step number 6 is all about overcoming the fear of mistakes. Fear is your biggest barrier that actually stops you from speaking. Remember, mistakes are learning opportunities. Every mistake teaches you something new, right? So just do not at all bother about making mistakes and focus more on communication. It's okay if your grammar isn't perfect initially. Try to aim to be understood first. If the person with whom you are talking is able to understand you, it means you have actually progressed in your making people understand. You have progressed in learning this language, in speaking this language in such a way that the person can understand you. Okay, so this is how. Try to appreciate yourself. Do not all the time demotivate yourself by saying that you make a number of mistakes, there is no the sentences are not going grammatically perfect. Try to just motivate yourself by saying that you are actually progressing and now you can make other people understand also. So that's the great part. What I mean to say is that start celebrating progress and start avoiding your mistakes. Okay, so focus on your progress. Acknowledge small wins like completing a conversation or learning a new phrase. Maybe today you learned a new vocabulary and you have used them appropriately. Celebrate your progress. Seventh step is all about tracking your progress. Review your progress weekly or monthly. Here is how you can do it. Record yourself speaking and compare with previous recordings, and note down phrases or grammar structures you have mastered. And test your skills with online tools or quizzes. Tracking progress keeps you motivated and helps identify areas for improvement. And here is step number 8. This is about accepting challenges. Challenges of speaking English every day. This is what I'm talking about here. So, as you know that we have a few days left only. I guess around 20 or 21 days we have now. So, you take up this challenge of speaking English for 21 days every day. Okay, so you can check out this series of mine where I have explained it very well that how you can perform these challenges on the regular basis. I have shared with you diverse topics I have covered in these challenge, and I also help you first that how you can speak on this topic, and then you will get some idea. All right, then you can continue speaking yourself. So you must check out this 21 days challenge of mine, and do let me know, do share your thoughts with me in the comment that how did you like, how did you find this challenge. Okay, and make sure that you commit to speaking English only with your friends or colleagues for these remaining days. If you really want to achieve your goal of speaking English fluently, you have to be committed. By following this roadmap, you will become a fluent English speaker before 2025. Start today and don't forget, every step you make brings you closer to your goal. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your journey to fluency. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.